Okay, for this assignment, the start code here has the array visualizer that we built in the past and then this menu here. And basically, I just want you to implement all of the menu options. So when you hit first grade to 40 and click go, it'll type out the menu option down below. I did that part, but then it should actually modify the array, right? So here's the start code. I've got all the HTML elements. This is the important array you'll be working with, grades, which I've populated with some sample grades. This max grade is just used for some scaling here because our grades go up to 100, but of course our div has a height of 600. So just did some simple math here to make sure a grade of 80 would take up 80% of the 600. And then here's all the exciting main menu stuff. I just have a select element where we get its value, and based on its value, we call these different functions. So all you really need to worry about is implementing these functions down below. And most of them are quite short. This is just kind of an assignment to test your basic skills with modifying and updating arrays. So I might do the first one here just as a quick demo. This function first to 40. So I just output first grade to 40, and then let's actually do it. So grades, the first grade would be at position 0, and I want to assign it to be 40. As easy as that. Okay, and then at the end, oh no, that's in this function here, sorry. After we do our selection, we redraw the array so we can see the changes. So if I go back to here now, it's at first grade to 40, I hit go, and you'll see that first grade change to 40, and it just outputted into this. So I should show you that actually. There's just an empty div with the ID output, which is that output element. And you can use that for messages. Some of the assignments, like this one, would ask you to count the grades. So you can just output to this div your result. Okay, that is basically it. You're going to work on modifying the array, adding things to the array, removing things, counting, changing things. Yeah, hopefully that works well. This last one where you have to remove all the grades below 50, make sure you test this carefully, because there's a common mistake that is made when there's grades below 50 that are side by side. There's an issue that sometimes a common strategy to remove all the grades misses some of the grades, so you'll have to think about that. I might add some hints on how to do that later. Okay, hope that makes sense. Have fun practicing your array skills, and yeah, do your best.